Hi friends, welcome to Hasini and Friends channel. Today I am telling about how to make a jewelry stand with popsicle sticks. Let's start. Required materials: popsicle sticks and acrylic colors and glue. Glue any type, Fevicryl or Fevicol. Use acrylic or watercolors. Any color. Now take popsicle sticks and glue. Apply glue to the popsicle sticks and attach like shown in this video. Attach the popsicle sticks like a square shape. Dry it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now take another 2 popsicle sticks and apply glue and attach like shown in this video. Also attach another side like this. I am attaching 2 sides like this. Now take the glue and apply glue and make like shown in this video. Attach 3 sticks like this. Dry it for 10 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, apply acrylic color to the stand. I am applied pink color to the stand. Now hang it your favorite earrings to the stand. Do you want to know how to make paper quilling jhumka earrings? Link in the description box and I'll give it in the iCards. Do you want to know how to make diamond shaped earrings with paper? Link in the description box and in iCards. Tap on the I button. So friends, this is the jewelry stand. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.